da iawn. Chi gyd wedi pasio'r prawf. Da iawn chi. Louise, just looking at your test results. Well done. Louise, 8 allan o 10. Da iawn. Although I'd stop putting hearts in your eyes because Welsh adults don't do that. Mae'n done tonight. Very childish. So well done.
Thank you.
Tom, da iawn ti. Although I don't think you fully understood the boundaries of 9th century deheubarth. So we'll have to have a chat about that. We've been eating the week. But anyway, well done you. Steve.
Yeah.
Indeed, fine. Very good. Liz, da iawn ti 10 allan o 10. OK, da iawn. Diolch yn fawr. A fy wylech chi gyd wythnos nesa. Diolch.
Diolch.
Liz, lla gael gair, please?
If he tries anything, call me.
Dyw hyn ddim yn hawdd dweud. It's not very easy to say.
Llanfair pwyll gwyngyll.
Nage. Diolch. Thank you.
Diolch. Pam?
Wel, falle bydd y Wers Gymraeg yn parhau. Might continue.
Yeah, I can still have a traditional Welsh wedding. Brilliant, Hefin. Oh,
brilliant. Yeah, brilliant. But not me brilliant. You brilliant. I don't know how you did it. It seems that silly, fun songs can help people remember things. Who would have thought it? I mean, not my whole Val stuff. That's pretty memorable. That tends to stick in the memory. But otherwise, yeah, it's a real help for people to learn things. So thank you very much.
So my songs aren't stupid?
No, in certain rare and very isolated cases, it seems no.
Iawn, apology accepted.
Ymddiheiriad wedi ei dderbyn.
Ymddiheiriad wedi ei derbyn.
Wedi ei dderbyn.
Wedi ei derbyn.
Dderbyn.
Derbyn.
Dderbyn. Derbyn.
Derbyn.
Fine, mae'n iawn. Ie, da iawn ti.
Oh, hwyl fawr.
OK, Liz, dwi angen help.
Ti di trial yr AA?
No, I need your songs i helpu bobl i ddysgu. I've got another chance am y prawf arall. Maen nhw'n danfon HMI.
HMI?
Yes. Ma'n danfon HMI, edrych ar Hefin ar Wers Hefin. And it's very bad.
Oh na, maen nhw'n ofnadwy.
O dyn, maen nhw'n ofnadwy.
Would I help you?
Diolch yn fawr. Anything really. I need your songs, anything.
Dim ond os?
Unrhyw beth. Na i wneud unrhyw beth. Diolch yn fawr. Na i ddinistru'r fideos. Na i gadw hwnna, achos maen nhw'n mynd i bydd y gael ers. Actually, a really good one.
Dim ond os ti'n dysgu fi beth sy'n llythyr cariad meic.
Iawn. Ie. Dim problem, Liz. Dim problem, Liz.
A dim gwneud hwnna.